Hello everyone, and welcome to our discussion on the language of desire, the highest levels of women's empowerment. Today, we will delve into the various aspects of this concept and shed light on the journey of women who have broken the barriers of societal expectations to achieve greatness in their respective fields. The LOD concept revolves around celebrating women who have transcended societal norms and expectations and become role models for future generations. These women have shown that with determination, hard work, and a strong belief in yourself, anything is possible. Women who have reached the highest levels of female empowerment often have a unique blend of qualities that make them stand out from the crowd. They have a strong self-confidence that allows them to face challenges head-on and take control of their lives. They are also known for their resilience, having personally and professionally faced adversity in various forms and been able to overcome it with flying colors. These women also display a high degree of emotional intelligence, which allows them to navigate complex relationships and maintain strong connections with their loved ones. They understand the importance of supporting and uplifting others and have made it their mission to empower others, especially women. In today's fast-paced world, women who have reached the highest levels of female empowerment are pioneers who have broken free from the constraints of traditional gender roles. They have shown that there is no limit to what can be achieved when one embraces one's true potential and defies societal expectations. In conclusion, the language of desire celebrates women who have achieved the highest level of female empowerment. These remarkable women have shown that with determination, hard work, and a strong belief in yourself, anything is possible. They serve as a beacon of inspiration for aspiring women everywhere, proving that gender doesn't have to dictate one's potential or limit one's ambitions. Let's continue to celebrate and support these incredible women as they continue to pave the way for future generations of women to follow.